Fit check. Do it all on my own, which I think is really, really cool. Sorry about it. It lights up. Like, it literally lights up. I'm kind of worried because my screen is kind of loose. Clean and declutter all of that. I'm not done, not even a bit. Just putting the molding all over, even inside my closet. Finally start moving back in. Hi guys, I feel like I look the same in every video with this shirt. I'm sorry, this is literally my pajamas. Oh, my skin kind of looks good. Look, I'm literally like, it's chapped. I don't know why, but it just wants to be chapped. Oh, yesterday I kind of started moving stuff in. Like, I have all this space and all these cabinets, and I have to figure out if I'm gonna keep some, am I gonna get rid of some. I slept in my room last night. I slept like a little baby. Let me show you guys so far how my room looks like. I'm not completely sure if I'm gonna keep it like this. Put whatever sheets, I don't know if I'm gonna keep those. I doubt it. On my bed, I'm gonna keep it for now, but I am planning on getting another bed. This one looks really nice. Kind of tired of it, and I feel like it just takes too much space. I do want something with just a headboard. I do have this little thing right here. I'm planning on using it like my nightstand. I still have to go through the cabinets to see where I'm gonna keep stuff. I used to use this for my makeup. I had makeup in there. I still have makeup in there, but I'm not really entirely sure if I want to keep it here. Then moving on, the door, I have this little cabinet. This is where I keep like all my essentials. I think it's called essentials, I don't know. But I have this one. I'm trying to see where I'm going to fit it because I am going to get a TV right here. And I do have this stuff I have to figure out. And this is one of the new additions. My mom had this. Arrange all my headbands and like hair stuff right here in the back. And all my scrunchies right here. My hair clips, because I have my hair clips over there. I'm not really going to go too in depth because there's not really much stuff in here. Here is where I have my vanity. I have two of those lights, so I still have another one. And I don't know what I'm going to do with the other one. But I'm just going to keep it just in case I change my mind. Because before I used to have it like this mirror that I put up. I also have two mirrors because I had two vanities in a complex situation. I have way too much stuff. This vanity, this isn't even new. I got this like 2 Christmas ago. And then I have my chair. I'm also planning on putting some curtains right here. These fairy lights that I got like 2 Christmas ago. My mom got them for me. Later on today, my dad's gonna go around. I asked him if he could like help me put them up. I haven't put anything in my closet. It's pretty empty. Hey guys. It's a brand new day. Hey, hey. I'm about to start organizing my room. My room looks exactly the same as it was yesterday, just even messier. Just give you guys an overview so you guys can see the before and after. I look so bad and my camera's about to die, so I really need to do this quick. It's currently 1:51. I've been putting my clothes back in my closet. So this is all the clothes that I'm getting rid of, and then I still have to go through that, and I still have more clothes in the other closet that me and my mom have been taking out from. And then this is how my closet looks like. It's 8:53. This is what my closet looks like. Now I'm just trying to fix like all my beauty stuff. So tired. The pool really got me tired. I'm gonna put these hangers away. Hey y'all. Just finished eating breakfast and I am about to start cleaning again because my room is a mess, a literal mess. I need to go get a shoe rack because I don't want to lay on my shoes. I look so bad. My thing feels so loose. But I got back from the pool and I'm kind of ready. Not really. I've not been recording, I'm sorry. I have been such a bad YouTuber. It's been like 3 days and I'm still not done. This is how my room looks like. I'm not really sure what's happening here. Hey y'all, I'm in my garage right now because I want to tighten the screws of my screen because it's kind of loose. I don't want it to pop off. I end up finding a shoe rack. I'm gonna wait for my dad to start building it. It turns out my dad is not gonna help me. He said I am capable of doing it all on my own. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do it on my bed because mom's doing something, so she really can't help me. We're gonna do this. I think I'll be fine. I'm not that sure.
Mira, pura pinche escultura, pues ya te la pegué toda esa madre.
I still have that. You do this.
What do you mean? No, este va aquí sin nada.
It's just twist?
Yeah. ¿Quiero otro zapato más? You don't have to go away.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Marina. That's easy. I thought it was gonna be hard.
1, 2, 3 nomás. Nomás 1, 2, 3 los grandes.
Too complicated. Later.
Ya, quítalo esto.
Later.
Acomode todo el silenciero, pues.
Okay.
Y quiero que te tire eso, esto va a basura, ¿no? No con
No.
eso.
I'm still gonna put stuff in.
Ya, pero todo para que quepa más. Yo quiero que estamos viendo esto.
We just spent, well, I said that I was gonna do it by myself. I'm not that good at doing these type of things, so my father had to help me. He's stronger than me, so he had to tighten the screws. I'm gonna put my shoes on the thing, and it's gonna be way easier. Look at this beauty. Oh, don't look at my toes. I would usually just lay out my shoes, but now I got a shoe rack. I just finished putting all of my shoes on the rack. Those are some of my shoes in boxes though. This is what it looks like. Okay, now I have to move on to makeup. I literally haven't recorded in a cool minute. Literally cleared everything from there and everything that's inside. I'm gonna end up getting rid of that one because I don't need it. I'll have all of this on the floor. I have my humidifier on right now. I'm so tired. It's a new day. I am gonna finish cleaning today. I'm finally gonna be done. It's mostly just like things that I need to take outside to the garage. These to my sister-in-law. And this mirror as well. These lights and the vanity.
Yeah, I'm finished.
Oh, it looks pretty good in here. Let me show you guys this. I added these little like circle things so that it doesn't hit my closet. I love the TV. I'm gonna get rid of all of that. So I'm gonna have like this whole thing empty. My makeup, oh, I love the fit. My makeup side is pretty much done.
Hey, baby girl, so my private. Close your eyes, it's just me and you and nobody.
Excuse my mother, she's watching a show. My room's coming together. Clavos para tablero. Whatever that is. Let's go. Oh, it looks so nice. It looks so good in here.